YouGov poll, most Americans reject anti-lockdown protests. An overwhelming majority of Americans, Republicans included, are rejecting right-wing protests, encouraged by President Trump, to immediately reopen the country in the midst of the world's largest and deadliest coronavirus outbreak, according to a new Yahoo News/YouGov poll. The survey, conducted April 17 to April 19, found that a full 60% of the public opposes the largely pro-Trump protesters whose calls for governors to liberate their states by lifting lockdown measures have attracted intense media attention in recent days, and whose message the president amplified Friday in a series of all-caps liberate tweets about three swing states, Minnesota, Michigan, and Virginia. Only 22% of Americans say they support the protesters. Despite Trump's messaging, even Republicans oppose the protests 47% to 36%. Asked whether they agree or disagree with Trump's liberate tweets, only a quarter of Americans say they agree.